I found remote jobs that will hire you instantly in 2026. And the best part, nobody's going to ask about your experience and nobody's gonna ask you what are you gonna do in the next 5 years. All you gotta do is sign up to the sites, apply to it, and if you get accepted, you work instantly. And this is coming from someone who started with nothing. I had no experience, no connections, and I don't even have any idea what virtual assistant at that time was. And now I'm earning 5 figures a month with my remote job. And I built this channel because this is the channel I wish I had when I was starting out. Because nobody showed me how everything works. I had to do it alone and figure it all out on my own. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly the platforms that are hiring right now. And I'm going to walk you through the sign up for every single one, step by step on screen. So when this video ends, you can go ahead and apply today. But first, let me be honest what instantly means. Instantly does not mean money in your GCash right away. It only means nobody will screen you, nobody will interview you. You just go ahead and apply, and if you get accepted, you work instantly. The money comes in after you do the real work, just like a regular job. All of this are 100% free. You never pay to sign up. And if any of the sites ask you to pay any money at all, just walk away because that's a scam. And if you appreciate me making this type of content, let me know by gently tapping that like button, and let's get into it right now. Alright, the first one is MicroWorkers. This is a micro task site. You do small jobs, you get paid per job. Testing a website, filling out a form, checking if a link works, small stuff like that. Here's why this one is number one on the list. There is no hiring process at all, no application, no interview, no portfolio. You make an account and the tasks just show up. And the Philippines is one of the strongest countries on this platform. There are over 200 to 300 tasks available daily for Filipino workers. Now let's talk about the money. I'm going to be straight with you. Most tasks pay around like 10 cents to 40 cents on each. That's small and I know it. You're gonna say that's not a lot of money. But active workers average $3.50 to $6 per hour once they get fast. Payout is via PayPal and the minimum payout is $9. Once you have $9 on your account, you can withdraw it right away. So let me show you how to sign up. First thing you want to do is you want to go to microworkers.com, fill in your email, your password, your country, which is of course Philippines. So once you complete your profile verification, you should be able to go into their site and be able to work on the jobs that you want. Make sure you are learning all the time and that you're gaining experience, because that's the only way that you increase your salary. And this is the fastest one to start. You apply to it same day, but it's also the lowest paying one. All right, number two is UserTesting. This one is app and website testing. Here's what you actually do. A company sends you a website or an app. You use it, you talk out loud while you use it. You say what's confusing, what's annoying, what you like, and your screen gets recorded. You send it in. You get paid. That's the whole job. You don't need to be a tech person to do this. That's the point. They want a normal person's reaction when testing the site or the app that they send you. Now for the pay, a regular test pays $5 to $20. That takes 20 to 30 minutes. A live session with a researcher pays about $30 to $90. That's per task, by the way. Compare that to a 40 cents per task. There's a huge difference on it. UserTesting has been paying testers since 2009. They have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot, and they accept testers from more countries than UserTesting does. Now here's the part most videos won't tell you. Payment comes about 15 days after your test get approved. So this is not fast money. This is good money, but it arrives slow. So you sign up now so the invites start coming later. And let me show you how you sign up to this. First thing you want to do is you want to go to userlytics.com. So click on get paid to test. Enter your email. Make sure you are 16 years old or older. And then you submit the form. So it's 3 easy steps that you can do. So you submit your email, take a quick practice test, share your perspective via test you match with, and then you earn money right away. One tip though for this one, you fill out your profile completely. The more you answer, the more tests you qualify for. People who skip this get 0 invites and then say the site is dead. It's not dead, their profile is empty. If this video is helping you, hit that like button. It takes 1 second of your time and it might reach more Filipino people that are in need of remote work. Also, I created a free VA starter kit where you can see the top 10 sites that are hiring right now, the resume template I made myself, and the outreach DM you can copy and paste. Also, a plan on how you become a virtual assistant as soon as possible. Also, the skills that you need to learn so that you'll be a valuable virtual assistant. Go ahead and click the link in the description in the pinned comment below. Once you click that, you will receive an email, and there's a button on the email that says click here to download. So you just click that and it's automatically gonna download the VA starter kit for you. And if this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.